We're gonna be selling snacks in college. Now, so many people said, oh, Rico, the moment you graduate high school, you're gonna be cooked. You're gonna be unemployed, this and this and that. No, we're gonna be selling snacks in college. So that's what we're doing in this video. We have a bag full of snacks and we're gonna go to Sellign. Now, it's gonna be my first time selling in a while since I graduated from high school, but I'm here to show you that you can still make money selling in college. It doesn't matter. So we're gonna see how much can you truly make selling snacks in college. It's a little different because all these colleges have their own stores and they sell snacks for pretty cheap, but I heard that sometimes they be taxing on certain items. So we're gonna see how much demand is there for snacks in college, how much money can you truly generate, and if I do make sales, how much will I make in a day? So stay tuned for the end. It's a fun video, so let's get started. So guys, the first step to sell snacks is you need the snacks and the candy. This bag is full of snacks and candy. It's a little clear bag, doesn't matter. I got candies, snacks, and that's pretty much it. I don't have enough room for chips. The next video, we're gonna go to either UCLA, UC Santa Barbara, or USC. And we're gonna have a bunch of chips. We're gonna do everything, bro. Let's see if we can make our first sales. All right, guys, so I didn't follow my advice. Basically, before you start selling, you need to make it known that you're gonna be selling. So this is a random college. I don't go here, guys. I don't go here. Mr. Rico does not go to college. But I didn't make it known. Normally, what I did in high school is I created a whole new Snapchat account, and that was my promotion. That's where I promoted everything, and then I told people in person, we're gonna walk up to a bunch of people. So if you're scared of talking to people, I'm gonna give you some tips on what helps me. I'm not leaving until I sell this entire bag of candies, bro. So we're walking into campus, first person I see, we're gonna ask him, and let's go, man. Rico Rixo selling snacks, bro. I don't think I'll be doing this again. I bet, guys, so I'm doing some thinking. Should I walk up to someone and just ask, oh, you guys want some snacks? Or should I walk up to them with the snack in my hand and be like, oh, do you guys want a candy? I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. I might just do both. Let's see. Excuse me, bro. You want to buy some candies or snacks?
I'm not good.
All right, cool. Appreciate it. Excuse me? Do you guys want to buy candy? I'm selling candies.
No.
All right.
Sorry.
No, that's cool. Appreciate it. Excuse me? Do you guys want to buy candies or snacks, bro? I'm selling some.
That's good, bro. I'm good.
Excuse me? Would you like to buy a candy or a snack? I'm selling some. Take everything. Cash in, Zelle, and Venmo.
No.
I'm not trying to support my business.
Sorry, I'll give you moral support.
Moral support? Okay. What's the
God
moral
bless
support?
you. God bless you.
God bless you.
Bye.
Appreciate it. Guys, I think I look too intimidating. I got like 4 no's in a row. Do I look intimidating? But guys, so I think it's just the backpack that looks sus. Maybe because I'm brown. I don't know, bro. We're gonna take out the shirt, see if the shirt has anything that fixes it, bro. Hey, bro. Just trying to support the hustle, bro, and buy some candy or snacks.
Okay,
bro.
thank you. Thank you.
All right, though. All right, guys, so how does this look now, bro? People will be enticed, I guess, but let's see. Guys, I haven't even figured out my prices. I just put all these in the bag. It's all the leftover from the vending machine, bro. $2, $1. I got it in my head because I already got it memorized. Excuse me. Would you guys like to support my hustle? I'm trying to sell some candy and snacks, bro.
Bro, if I had my wallet, that would.
I take Zelle, anything, bro.
How much they cost?
What do you want, bro? What's catching your eye?
Alright, that Kit Kat really looking.
Kit Kat, bro. Spicy?
Nah, that Kit Kat really good. Bro, don't tell me you're selling here now,
I'm trying to sell, bro. You
No.
trying to buy something too?
No.
Yes, bro.
Bro, the
You
Kit
trying to
Kat
buy
is
something?
international. This guy's been hustling since high school, bro.
Bro.
Are you to the center right now?
Yeah, you want to buy some? How much did you buy this?
My nearest was like 99 cents.
99 cents. I'll give you $1.50.
I got $2.
$2? What do you want, bro? That hair is $2 for $1.
$2?
Yeah. Blue?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. Take care, bro.
Sure.
150, bro.
Alright, bro. Alright, there you go.
Appreciate it, bro. Excuse me. Would you want to buy some candy or snacks?
I don't think you want that.
You take one?
1 second, please.
Cool, bro. You got cash or Zelle?
Cash? I thought I had $1 in quarters.
Do you have Cash App or Zelle?
Nope. Sorry.
No, you're good, bro. Appreciate it. Have a
Another
good day.
day?
Yeah. Excuse me. Do you guys want to support my hustle? Buy some candy or snacks?
I'm on a diet, bro.
You want to
I'm trying to cut.
What about you, bro?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Man. Hey, excuse me. Would you guys want to buy some candy or snacks?
I'm
Anything,
alright,
bro?
man. I'll roll it, bro.
Yeah, all right, cool. Appreciate it. Excuse me. Would you guys want to buy some candy?
No, bro.
How can you see?
Excuse me. Do you guys want some candy?
I'm good. I'm on a cut, bro.
For real?
Hey, maybe if you had a white van.
White van. What about, bro? What's up, bro? Hey, trying to buy some candy.
Oh,
We're
sorry.
good, sorry.
Nah, all right, cool. Appreciate it.
Alright, man.
God bless. Later. I bet, guys, made some few sales, but the freaking thing didn't work. But look, guys, I haven't touched bread like this since high school, bro. Damn. This man had crispy dollars too, bro. Not even no cap. Guys, I'm barely 19. I'm gonna shave this so I can look 16 again. You guys want some candy?
Bro, that is not the hustle.
Bro, that's the hustle, bro.
Hell.
What do you do for bread, bro?
Me, I cut hair. But like that's selling candy, bro.
Bro,
Everybody-
I've been making band, bro.
Yeah?
Yes, bro.
Off of candy?
Yes, bro.
Alright, my bad. I respect the hustle.
You guys want-
How much is it?
Depends what do you want.
How much though?
Like cheap, like $1, $2.
Okay,
Depends how many.
The red vines.
Red vines?
Yeah.
$2.
Okay.
Appreciate you. All right.
All right,
Appreciate-
gang.
Have a blessing.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
All right, Rico.
All right. Nice to meet you. Take care.
You too.
Hey, here's these. You want 2 for 3? Sure. Gotcha. Okay. Can I try that? I used to do that when I was little. All right. Appreciate it. Take care. Take care. Appreciate it, guys. You guys want some candy?
I was about to say, are you selling it?
Yeah, you trying to buy some, bro?
I already ate lunch,
Yeah,
so.
bro. You want some?
Sorry, man. We respect the hustle.
All right, cool. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Hey, you want some candy, bro?
What candy you got, bro? You know.
I got everything right here, bro. What you need, bro? These are bomb, bro. I'm not even gonna care.
How much, bro?
I'll do 2 for 3.
No, 2 for 3. Fuck it.
That's a steal, huh?
Fuck it.
Yeah, what you got? Cash app or Zelle?
I got 0. Bro, you go here to see something now. When you come, when you come.
You know what I'm
Ventura.
County?
Damn. 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you, bro. What's your name?
I'm Jason.
Jason? Nice to meet you, bro. I'm
Nice
Rico.
to meet you, Rico.
Take care, bro.
You too, bro. They keep the hustle, bro.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Okay, guys, so this is what we have right now. You see, we're like halfway full. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 in cash. And let's check the Zelle. So in Zelle, we have $1. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $16. We got $16 right now, guys. It's barely paying for lunch, guys. It's not going so good. But I'm not trying to get profit, guys. I'm just trying to set the icing on the cake, bro. I'm going to the school, bro. We're gonna go see, go make some more sales. We're gonna let everybody get out of class. I'm literally just gonna set it down like OG times. Maybe even right here, you never know. But Mr. Rico is hungry. Guys, never eat your supply, but I'm freaking hungry, bro. Bro, you keep looking. I know you want some.
Dude, I'm tempted.
I know. What do you want, bro?
That nutter butter looks good.
Nutter butter? I'll give you a deal, bro. 2 for 3. For sure, bro.
Yeah, that's no
Yeah.
No problem, bro. I know you want to. You want a cookie? Oh, they want you, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, guys. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to pack your bag. First step, you're gonna get the bigger items, stuff that wouldn't crush. We don't want to put the cookies at the bottom because they're gonna get crushed. So you're gonna get these Twizzlers, put it at the bottom. It's gonna create that structure. Then Skittles, they don't crush. Put them another layer. Grab all these airheads, put them right there. Then you're gonna want to get your cookies, your chocolates, stuff like that. Bro, this chocolate is melted. That's how you pack your bag. With a few more items, see if you can sell them. Let's go, bro. Day's almost over. Deal for you, bro. Airheads. You want crackers or not?
Not crackers, man. Maybe the Skittles, though. How much?
Skittles? I'll do 2 for 3, bro.
Fuck it, bro. That's your guy.
Got you, bro. What do you want? I got 2 chocolates left. Got Twizzlers. A lot of Twizzlers. Ew. Airheads?
Oh, I fuck with Airheads. Can I have one?
$2 for $1.
$2 for $1?
Yeah. You want another candy or no?
No. How much is it? $1?
Yeah, $1.
What's yours?
Business? All right, cool. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Have a good day. Now, here's a little tip for everybody. If you're scared to walk up to someone, bro, just do it. Literally, you don't even have to look at them in their eyes, bro. Just be like, oh, do you guys want some candy? That's one thing I tell everybody is like, you don't have to look at their people's eyes. If you're scared, if you're scared of getting caught, bro. You guys see how discreet I'm doing? You don't have to do a crazy big bag like I did in high school. You could literally just use any bag. If you use a fanny pack, you can use a lunch bag. Now I'm gonna get a lunch bag and I'm gonna show you guys how to pack that as well. If you guys are wondering how I pack my bag so I don't get caught and I reduce the noise, check up in the card right here. So everybody asks me, how do you spread the word? How do you spread the word? Literally by doing it. So if I would do this every single day, every single school day, they're gonna recognize my face. They're gonna be like, oh, Rico, he always has the snacks. What I did in high school is I created my own Snapchat account and I was like, oh, I'm gonna be selling here. Boom. See, if I would come to this university every single day, I'd pick my spot, I'd be there, or I'd walk around and tell people. Consistency always beats anything and everything. So always be consistent. That's how you're gonna be your competitors as well. People ask me, oh, Rico, what do you do with the competition? You gotta be consistent. You gotta continuously deliver every single day, give the people what they want, and that's how it wins. And that applies to everything in life, bro. People are like, oh, you can't sell snacks after you graduate from high school. Guys, I'm literally selling snacks after I graduate from high school. This is not the only thing I do. I do a bunch of other stuff. You guys check my channel, you'll see everything. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can finish these last few sales. The bell just rang, and let's make this bread, bro. I'm gonna go eat after. See, you guys see my shirt, bro. What does the shirt say, guys? It says respect my hustle. You guys need to respect my hustle. Don't matter what you do. The candy was the first stepping stone and helped me fund my other future entrepreneurial endeavors. I mean, now I'm successful at a young age. I guess you could say. I don't think I'm successful. I think I freed up my time. So now I'm able to focus on everything. Like I said, I don't go to college. I'm gonna go to every single college because I just can't. You feel me? I'm going to college for free, and I'm learning how to hustle, bro, how to do business, real business. Start my own businesses, stuff like that. You guys will see it. I'm documenting everything on the journey. Subscribe to see any of the side hustle. Comment any of the side hustle you guys want me to try. I'll literally do anything. I don't care. I don't get social anxiety, whatever you want to call it. And I have the funds to start almost everything, even real estate, bro. We almost in that real estate game. So yeah, Stay tuned. You guys trying to buy some candy, snacks, or whatever?
Oh man, I actually don't have any money.
I'll say cash like a zero.
Oh yeah? Maybe.
Maybe. You want some?
I have cash, but it's for gas money, and I cancel my debit card. So I'm spending money on it.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You guys can say, oh, Rico, you're cheating the camera. People are gonna think you're famous, whatever. No, bro. People see the camera and they get intimidated, bro. I might just start doing it on the iPhone again. The reason I was able to do it in high school is because everybody knew me, they were comfortable with me, and I tell them like, oh, I'm gonna be filming. When I come like to a random place like this, bro, they get scared of the camera, bro. They were looking at the candy, they were gonna get one, and then they look behind me, they see a camera pointing at them, they're like, they freeze up, bro. So let's go see if we can make some sales. Or we're gonna walk that way, bro. Walking that way. This is my last stuff.
We don't have cash.
I take cash out and sell. Everybody's have.
You got Apple Cash?
I got banned. True.
Yeah.
Every-
bad?
I don't know. It's stupid.
I don't know, because I was your candy's on the floor though. Yeah, you just stick it. Still your Reese's Pieces. Dude, you better be like, hey, that costs money right there.
I'll go price it.
No, I appreciate it, bro. You want it?
No, I
All right, cool. Appreciate it, bro. You guys trying to buy some AirPods?
No.
Reseller.
Oh my god.
Didn't you need new
I
ones?
just bought them. She's got like 8 pairs.
8 pairs?
Yeah.
You should buy an extra one just in case.
Are you still gonna have some tomorrow?
I'm gonna be here next Thursday.
We'll catch you.
All right. AirPods, let me know. Thursday. I'll be back. Rico.
Rico?
All right. Appreciate it. Have a good day. That's here. I'm trying to buy some candy. I'll give you a steal on it. I only got $8. 4 ones. What do you want? I'll give you. You want chocolates or Oreos? Chocolates. You want the melted Hershey's? You can freeze it. It'll be bomb. Yeah. I'll give you both of them for 3. You want anything else? You want a peanut butter cookie? What's your name? I'm Rico. Nice to meet you. Appreciate the business. You're gonna help me get home today. Appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day. Excuse me. You trying to buy my last candy so I can go home? All right, cool. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Excuse me. You guys trying to buy my last candy so I'm trying to go home.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Guys, this is literally all we have left. These trash peanut butter cookies that nobody wants, bro. Should I keep going or should I stop, bro? Everybody dipped. I think everybody's in class. I'm not too sure. Excuse me. You trying to buy some my last candies or snacks?
Am I?
Yeah.
No thanks.
Unsuccessful, guys. Unsuccessful. Hey guys, we're going home. Successful day. We're gonna count the cash. We're gonna go to a Porto's or In-N-Out. That's where we're gonna count the cash, see how much money we made. I was doing a bunch of deals and I wasn't really fully focused on trying to sell. I was just trying to show to you guys that you can sell. And people were like, bro, you got the deals, you got the steals. And I was like, yes, I do, yes, I do. It brought back flashback of memories of me back in high school. It's pretty tough, I'm not even gonna cap. So, can you still sell in college? Yes. And I'm gonna prove it. We're gonna go to colleges across all of SoCal. So UCLA, USC, UCSB, CSUCI, all of them, bruh. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it. Let me know what I should sell. Put it in the comments. I'll literally do anything, guys. Like I said, if you have a side hustle you want me to try, I'll do it, bruh. I don't care. Anything, bro. Do not get discouraged on your first day. Now it could be like, oh, I didn't make no sales. Womp womp. It doesn't matter, bro. Pick yourself up, pick your head up, and be like, well, tomorrow, go even harder. If I actually went to the school, I'd be selling here every day. Doesn't matter, bro. I still be doing this little extra cash, bro. Just bring a few snacks in my backpack or even bring a whole separate bag. Does not matter. So do not get discouraged if something does not work right away. Continue at it. Same thing with consistency. Show up every single day. You trust me, you'll see a success. If not, then you're not working hard. That's what I did, bro. Same thing with everything. The YouTube. People are like, oh, Rico, how'd you blow up on YouTube? I kept doing it every single day. I kept showing up. I kept posting videos, even if they weren't getting views. And then one of them blew up, and boom, everything else blew up. Now, many of you are probably like, bro, how do I start selling snacks? Look what I just did in this video, bro. I went to a random school that I don't even go to, far away from where I live. And I literally just pulled up with a bag of snacks, bro. It's literally that simple. Walk up to people and be like, yo, do you guys want to buy some snacks? Does not matter. Stop letting your social anxiety get the best of you, bro. Does not matter. You guys saw me walking up to the HUDs, bro, the baddies, bro. It does not matter. I'm telling you right now, it does not matter. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. Walk up to people, they'll forget it, and literally, like, as they walk to class, bro. If you don't know how to start, I have a bunch of videos that literally teach you how to start. So go get that bag. So selling the snacks is probably the easiest idol that you could do to make some extra bread. So yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna count up the money. You can see we're getting some goodies. We didn't go to Portals after all. We came to a Mexican spot. So this is cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 cash. Let me add it up on the phone. $15 on Zelle. So 15 plus 12 So guys, 30 bucks for the day. That's pretty good, bro, for college. Let's say you go to college, you're in classrooms, you can start selling snacks on the side there. I got $27, 30 bucks, we can round that up to 30 bucks. And if I keep at it, I could probably get it up to 50 bucks. 50 bucks every single day for 1 month is $1,500, bro. You can make an extra $1,500 just going to class, bro. So if you're a broke college student, you need to try this side hustle, bro. Not real cap, or if anything, bro. I'm showing you guys you can still make money in college, selling snacks at school. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what I can do. I'm just about a burrito with this money. So yeah, see you on the next one.